Hello everyone. I hope each and everyone at your place is safe and doing fine. I am Dr. Rahul Katyal and I have 6 years of experience in diabetology and I practice in Mohali. Today we will understand diabetes and its manifestations in age. We all know that how common is diabetes nowadays in general population. People with diabetes tend to experience itchy skin more often than those without the condition. Persistent itching can be uncomfortable and might lead to excessive scratching which can cause infection, discomfort and pain. Itching is often a symptom of diabetic polyneuropathy, which is a condition that develops when diabetes leads to nerve damage. Certain skin conditions that develop as a result of diabetes may also cause itchy skin. A person with diabetes should not ignore itchy skin. Dry, irritated, or itchy skin is more likely to become infected, and people with diabetes may not be able to fight off infections as successfully as those who do not have the condition. We will understand reasons why a person with diabetes might experience itching and offer tips on providing relief. What are the causes of diabetic itching? Diabetes can cause areas of localized itching. There are several reasons why a person with diabetes might experience more frequent itching than others. Sometimes itching can result from damaged nerve fibers in the outer layers of skin. Often, the cause of diabetes-related itching is a diabetic polyneuropathy or peripheral neuropathy. These are complications of diabetes that develop when high blood glucose levels cause damage to nerve fibers, particularly those in feet and hand. Before nerve damage starts to occur for people with diabetes, high level of cytokines circulate the body. These are inflammatory substances that can lead to itching. Recent research suggests that increase in cytokines might eventually have a relationship with diabetic nerve damage. Seek medical attention if itching becomes persistent. People with diabetes can also experience complications, including kidney or liver failure, which may also cause itching. Some people with diabetes may develop itchy skin as an adverse side effect of a new medication or have an allergic reaction to it. However, a person should not stop taking these medications until confirming with their doctor that they have experienced an allergic reaction. The doctor may need to prescribe a replacement medication. People can also experience itching as a result of poor circulation. In these instances, itching is more likely to occur lower down in the legs. Skin products that contain perfumes, dyes, and strong soaps can dry out the skin, leading to itchiness. The skin can also dry or become sensitive in the winter. So, what are the diabetic skin conditions? Sometimes an underlying skin condition can cause itching. People with diabetes can get certain skin condition and infection more easily than those people who do not have diabetes. So, examples are like fungal infection. Fungal infections such as athlete's foot and jock's itch can cause itching. Skin can also be red, hot, or swollen. Sometimes small blisters develop and produce a liquid discharge. The yeast-like fungus Candida albicans is also responsible for these infections. Necrobiosis lipoidica diabeticorum. This is a rare skin condition that typically develops on the lower legs, although it can also affect other parts of the body. NLD starts as a dull red spot with raised surface that develops into a scar-like lesion with a dark border. It can cause pain and itching. Third is eruptive xanthomatosis, more common in people with type 1 diabetes. This condition forms yellow lesions on the skin that are about the size of peanut. High cholesterol and fat levels increase the risk of eruptive xanthomatosis. The spots often occur on the legs, feet, hands, arms, and buttocks. Every bump will have a red ring around it and might itch. Symptoms. The symptoms of itching vary and depend on the cause. For example, if a person has peripheral neuropathy, they are more likely to experience itching on the lower parts of the legs. They may also experience loss of sensation, usually in the feet or hands. A tingling sensation might accompany these symptoms. People with specific skin conditions or infections will itch at the site of spot or lesion. Itching can make a person feel uncomfortable in their clothes, wake them up in the night, and make them feel as if they always need to scratch. Always mention about your diabetic condition when you meet your physician. In case of any medical urgency, kindly consult with your physician. Thank you.